Morning, everyone. Good morning, Atri sir.
Good morning, very good morning, welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Morning, sir.
Professor Rita
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Suprabhat, sir.
Yeah, good morning, madam. Proceed.
Good morning, Professor. Good morning, Professor Rita.
Suprabhat, ma'am.
मैडम कैन वी स्टार्ट? 11 बज गए हैं. प्रोफेसर रीता सिंह.
Yes, sir, we can start. I think, say, no?
Okay. Thank you, madam. Good morning to all of you. Respected Professor Rita Singh, Dean, University School of Environmental Management, IP University, New Delhi. Professor Anubha Kaushal, International, IP University, New Delhi. Principals of various schools joining this webinar. Faculty of esteemed university, IPU, and various schools affiliated to CBSE, CIS, CE, and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanctans. My colleagues from India Meteorological Department and from other government and other institutions. And most important, dear students, I welcome to all of you on this very important occasion, which is related to celebration of Azadi Amrit Mahotsav. You are aware that India is going to celebrating this 75 years of attaining independence. Our DG is busy in some other programs at ministry, which is chaired by Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. So we will be carrying out this very important webinar. And I just want to say that during 1 week, from 18th to 2021, this week has been allotted to Ministry of Earth Sciences, and we will be having various programs not only in Delhi but all over the world, like starting with the we will be delivered shortly by Dr. K. Sati Devi, and other programs include like online quiz open to countrywide participation, science topics, and blogs on progress of meteorological services and different aspects, then delivery of lectures, the activities for various schools, talks, awareness programs, and outreach on weather and climate services, not only other parts, but Ladakh and Northeast. Drawing oblique painting competition for school children will also be carried out this week. So without taking much time, let's 2 days proceedings, 2 days webinar on weather and climate services will be given by Dr. K. Satyadevi, say scientist F and head National Forecasting Center IMD New Delhi. आप जो डेली बेसिस पर देखते हैं हेड ऑफ द फोरकास्टिंग सेंटर, सो जो वेदर बताती हैं, सी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. शी हैज डन हर मास्टर्स एंड एमटेक atmospheric sciences from Cochin University, PhD from Andhra University in 2008. She has long experience in serving in IMD, 17 years in Meteorological Center, Mumbai, then 6 years in the Training Institute and Pune. And she is heading this forecasting services in IMD. So now I request Dr. Sati Devi to deliver talk on weather and climate services. Dr. Sati Devi. Kindly unmute other people when she is delivering the lectures. Thank you, Dr. Sati Devi.
Thank you, Dr. Atri. I will be first of all, I will share my presentation. And then I will start talking. Screen, no?
It has come. Start, Dr. Sati Devi.
And you can unmute yourself.
Unmute, Dr. Sati Devi, unmute.
Muted. Yes. Hope it is visible, no? My presentation is visible.
It is visible. It is
And it is
visible.
Yes,
moving
ma'am.
also. Moving,
Yeah.
no?
Yes,
sir.
you are audible. It is visible also.
Okay. So, very good morning to all of you. I am asked, thank you, Dr. Atri, for the brief introduction. And if you are talking about weather and climate services, you can go on talking, but I will cover the major parts of the services extended by IMD. So with that, I will be starting my presentation. So you see, what is the, severe weather. Severe weather plays havoc with public life, and it can, depending upon the intensity, place of occurrence, and duration of occurrence, it can cause even casualties, and it can give rise to economical loss. So due to that, what is required, the proper mitigation measures needs to be taken by the government. So for that purpose, what we have to do, first of all, we have to give what is happening at present, and then what is expected in future related to the severe weather. So this is the vision and mission of IMD. We work with a thing that, hello.
लंबी जा रही है स्पीड.
Sorry.
You can continue. I
Other
will.
people, no, please mute yourself. Otherwise, if you're talking, no, in between. Okay. So we are working with a vision and mission that no weather.
इंग्लिश में नहीं है ज्यादा ये सब
Excuse me, Divanshi का unmute है. Kindly mute it, Divanshi. Yes, madam.
Yeah. So we are working with a mission that no weather hazard should go undetected and unpredicted, and we have to give accurate warning against hazards, and it should be given with sufficient time. Lead time should be there. Then only the necessary mitigation measures can be taken. So our response, our forecast and warning that should trigger response from the disaster managers so as to save the public life and property. So this is our vision and mission. So there are different sectors of our services. We are observing and monitoring the weather system, and numerical modeling is conducted to see the future, what is in store. And even after numerical modeling products will not be taken as it is. It will be after value addition and all, the forecasting is issued, and we will be issuing severe weather warning, and even we give support to several sectors also. And we are doing research and development activities also. In order to improve the services, there should be a lot of research and development activities. So we are doing all these. This is our vision and mission. So if you talk about the different sectors, I was already telling we are supporting disaster management. Disaster management is supported, and general public, we are giving message for the general public also. In addition to that, aviation sector, we are supporting shipping, agriculture, urban development, tourism, and even petroleum, that ONGC and all their oil drilling and all that also we are doing. Power grid management, then highway forecast, non-conventional energy, then different satellite launching and all. For that also we are giving services. We are giving forecast and warning. And defense services, different sectors of defense we are giving, especially in Indian Navy and all, we are giving our forecast. And even for flood we are not directly giving flood forecast, but we have to support the flood forecast given by Central Water Commission. So we are doing that also. So these are the different sectors for which IMD is providing services. So as I hazard monitoring and assessment, early warning, and technical support in vulnerability analysis and risk assessment, and preparedness and planning, all these we are supporting in this manner. So in order to achieve this particular we are having our headquarters, IMD headquarters is at Delhi, situated at Delhi. Even weather forecasting headquarters is also at Delhi, and we are having our second headquarters in Pune. They are doing that research and training. All these things it is situated at Pune. In addition to that, we are having six regions and six regional offices also. So the northern region, this color, this is northern region, Northwest India, North India. Its headquarters is at Delhi itself. And then we are having east of this particular area, that is having headquarters at Calcutta. Northeast region, this is headquarters is at Guwahati. Central parts.
Sorry, ma'am.
Central parts, we are having headquarters situated at Nagpur. Western region, excluding Vidarbha, other parts of Maharashtra and Gujarat. This area, the headquarters is at Mumbai, and South Peninsula, the headquarters is situated at Chennai. So through these offices only, we are serving the public as well as our disaster management and other sectorial application, everything. We are getting it done through these offices. And what are the, in addition to, there are different divisions. We are telling different regions are there. There are different specialized divisions are there in order to meet our requirements. So forecasting and all, it is done through services. Services is the division. And capacity building, we are having a training center. One is which is situated at Pune, and another one in Delhi. Agricultural meteorology division is there, which is serving totally to the purpose of farmers welfare. So we are having one office in here Delhi and another in Pune, and all the regional centers as well as state centers also. Aviation meteorology, there is separate cell is there. Climatological service, there is separate wing is there. Hydrometeorology, in order to support the flood forecasting and rainfall statistic generation and all, hydrometeorology cell is there. Instrumentation takes care of the observation part is taken care of by instrumentation division. And information service and system and services, they are taking care of the communication part. Regional specialized meteorological center is taking care of the most the cyclone warning, that is mainly through regional specialized meteorological center. Positional astronomy, we are having even PSC is there at Calcutta. We are generating certain things related to astronomy also. some calendar and all those things. It is done through this particular division. And satellite meteorology, in order to have, we are separate wing is there for satellite meteorology purpose also. They are getting data and processing and generating products with respect to, in collaboration with ISRO and all, they are doing whichever is important for the forecasting. So this is our specialized divisions are also there. Then regarding, if you talk about the forecasting is issued in different spatial as well as time scale. So spatial scale varies from location, even it can be in forecast is given in location specific, block level, district level, then meteorological subdivision. All the whole country is divided into 36 meteorological subdivision depending upon the weather climatology of that. And so the subdivision wise also we give the forecast. And then we are giving different homogeneous regions. What we were telling, Northwest India, Northeast India, that way. Homogeneous region, that way also we give the forecast. And for the country as a whole also we give the forecast. These are the different spatial scales. And if you are talking about time scale, we are giving forecast up to some hours. That is known as nowcasting. This is mainly applicable with respect to weather system like thunderstorm and all. Thunderstorm is something which develops all of a sudden, mature and give severe weather within 2 to 3 hours. So if we give forecast for a whole day, today there is a possibility of thunderstorm, that is that type of, it will not help anybody. So in order to, when the system is developing, when it is maturing, when it is going to give, what are this type of activities, this type of weather phenomena needs to be addressed through nowcasting. So we are doing nowcasting, and then short to medium range forecast. As such, we are giving from 5 days forecast plus another 2 days outlook. So every day we are issuing forecast for 5 days and another 2 days outlook. So we cover the forecast period of up to 7 days. So this comes under short to medium range forecast. Then we are having extended range forecast. This is in general something in outlook. So next extended range products are available even up to 4 weeks. But taking those products, we are giving outlook for another 2 weeks. And every Thursday this outlook is given, and this is every Thursday it is getting updated there. So that is why we are considering the first 2 weeks products, and accordingly the outlook is given for 2 weeks. And then seasonal forecast, monsoon forecast, we are very much aware of that. And then if you are talking about temperature, now you see winter temperature, what will be the temperature scenario? In case of summer, what will be the temperature scenario? Heat wave, cold wave, all these things are very much affecting the public life. So regarding that, what will be the temperature forecast? What is the temperature scenario in store? So that we give for the season as a whole. So for that, we are issuing seasonal forecast also. Then an integrated approach for weather forecasting services. This is having 4 parts. Actually, the first part is observation, taking observation. You see, weather forecast, if you are telling, that is talking about the future state of the atmosphere. Future state of the atmosphere. In order to talk about future state, first of all, we should know what is happening at present. Then only we can tell what is the future state. So for that is served by the observations are meant for that purpose. What is happening at present? So there are different types of observation. It can be surface observation. Weather is realized at the surface. So surface observations and what is cloud cover, all these several parameters are there. Wind is there, temperature is there. And different types of cloud is there, what is the cloud height, all these things we are taking. Surface observation will bring about that. And then we have upper air observation. Upper air, you see, even though the weather is realized at the surface, but it is generated, even the atmosphere is also very much involved in the because clouds and all it form in the atmosphere only. So what is happening, we should know what is in the, especially the lower layers of the atmosphere, what is the scenario, what is the wind, so that is upper air observation, take care of that. Then aircraft reports, we are giving service to aviation, and aviation aircraft, flying aircrafts, they have some points in which they take observation, and that is available with them. So that what is happening? Please don't talk in between.
Yeah, it's working fine, ma'am. It's working fine. You can continue. Working fine. But your presentation has been discontinued, ma'am.
Is it?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you,
It's fine,
I mean,
okay,
your,
ma'am.
we can't see your share, I mean, screen.
Yes. We are working.
Okay,
It's
okay,
moving, no?
now it is
Abhida,
not
I am
visible.
just talking.
Yeah.
I am not
Ma'am, I
continuously
see
moving the thing.
Okay,
Ma'am.
okay, she will be sharing again, madam, kindly share
Can
again.
you please share the presentation again?
Okay, so there's we are giving service to ship also, marine services. So ship also, certain ships are registered with
Madam,
the.
not visible.
Ma'am, presentation
First share,
is not
kindly
visible.
share presentation, it is not visible.
It's
You
not visible.
unshare.
Just now, I think it has been unshared.
Ma'am, then visible. Now it was not visible.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, we are doing that, thank you.
Now it is moving. Not
No,
seeing.
not visible,
Oh, no.
not visible.
Oh, what happened then?
Not
I don't know.
visible.
Yeah.
I will do that. I will share once again what is happening.
It's not visible.
Ma'am, I am
Really,
making you the present. I have making you the presenter. Now you can share.
Huh? Not able to.
just a moment.
Yeah, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Share the presentation.
It is
Yes,
becoming in between how it has gone. I
Yes.
don't know.
It's fine, ma'am. It's fine.
So
Screen is not available.
it is done. No?
Yes,
Is
it's
it-
fine. It's fine.
ठीक है. So the observation part is coming first of all. Observation takes care of what is happening at present. So there are different types of observation. That is surface observation, upper air observation. Then aircrafts also take the observation and share with us. Ships flying in the ocean, they also take observation and share because we require the oceanic data also. And there are ocean buoys. They are drifting buoys are there. There are moored buoys are there. They will take observation. These are automatic platforms. From there, through satellite, this data is also reaching. And satellite observations are there. Satellite is there. Actually, we are having imageries as well
Ma'am,
as
we can't see your share, we can't
It's not
see your screen.
visible.
what is happening.
We can't see.
फिर से अनशेयर
It's again.
शेयर अगेन
Then I will be only doing. It is already shared.
No, ma'am. It's not shared now. Again, it's unshared.
Ma'am, it is stop.
Yeah. Just shared it, ma'am. Just shared it.
No, I have again came out and shared again. Then how it is? I don't know what is happening. Again, why it is going? I don't know.
हमारी क्लास
Yeah, ma'am. It's fine. It's fine.
But it is going again now because now already 3 times I have done. I have
But
shared
now
it 3
screen is
times.
visible.
No, then again it is going. No, one time.
Share the
It
presentation,
is
ma'am.
going.
मैडम होता है कभी कभी, अभी नहीं आने वाला. Now.
Yes,
Now
ma'am, visible. Ma'am, now it is visible.
But it is going again. That is the problem. I cannot understand. It is
कोई बात
happening.
नहीं.
So,
चलिए. Yes.
so afterwards, so I am continuing. So observation, it gives the present scenario, and these observation needs to be communicated. It needs to be communicated. So all these observations are coming into regional telecommunication hub we are having. This is the communication center. It will be collected there, and it has to be shared within national level as well as international level. So this is communication part is coming, and this data is getting shared within the different centers of IMD, where the data is processed, analyzed, and the forecasting is generated. And this forecast needs to be disseminated. It will be, we are doing it through state level centers and all. We are sharing it with the public. We are sharing with the state government and all. And accordingly, the dissemination part is coming. Then observation I have already told that this is all radar network is there. All we are having about 20, 27, 28 radars are already working condition, and we are adding more radars into this program through our especially for the Himalayan region and all. We are having, and all the coastal region are covered by cyclone detection radars, because oceanic area, there will be a lot of the cyclone formation. For that monitoring, we are having, especially the coastal area is having covered by radars, and the interior parts also we are having radars, especially for the purpose of thunderstorm development, weather monitoring. It is also used, and there are different types of products which is getting generated from the radar, which is extensively used in the forecasting. And another one is spectrometer winds. Spectrometer winds. This is also actually from the satellite. From that only we are getting what is, because oceanic area. Oceanic area is there. Oceanic area, there is no proper observation available. So through satellite, we are getting data of that area, and satellite products are also there. And then all these other observatories I have already talked. Then data exchange, communication part, again I will be telling. We have talked about RTH New Delhi. So this is the communication hub, regional telecommunication hub. You see, weather, we are having political boundaries, but weather does not have any political boundary. If you talk about a western distance, some systems will be migrating. Rather than forming in the in situ formation, there will be systems migrating from the neighboring countries, and that will be giving weather in our area. So for across the world, what is happening in the neighborhood, that is also very much essential. So data, rather than with our own data for a location specific or for the generating forecast for a country, we require the data of the neighborhood also. So for that purpose, RTH, this Regional Telecommunication Hub New Delhi is there. This is the communication center. So these people, for example, it is having communication links within the country also, and with the international other countries also. So for example, if you are talking about Chennai, Chennai is taking some observation that will be sent to Delhi, and within other country itself, other region, they will get this data from RTH New Delhi. This is the, and other one is global data, other parts data also. It is received at Delhi, and Delhi is sharing the data with all the offices within the country. In addition to that, our data, which is collected at RTH New Delhi, that is shared with the global. So this is global telecommunication system. So RTH New Delhi, Regional Telecommunication Hub New Delhi, is the communication center of the country. This is one of the limb of the global telecommunication system. So next one is prediction. Prediction. This is, I have talked about now observation. I have talked about communication. So we are taking observation through telecommunication hub. We are getting all the data. We are getting the data from the outside other countries also. Then in order to generate forecast, we require models. We are having numerical models. So numerical model, what is a numerical model? It is a set of differential equations, and these differential equations are integrated with respect to time to get the future state. So so for this purpose, we are having different types of models are available with IMD. So there are regional models are there, which is taking a very short, a very small area with a high resolution models are there. In addition to that, we are having global models and then ensemble models. So rather than using one single model, we can use a group of models. Statistically, it's this can be ensemble forecast can be generated, taking output from different models or taking inputs from different runs of the same model. This way, ensemble forecast is generated. So rather than taking one particular forecast, it can be a group of forecasts which can be statistically combined and the final. This is the purpose of ensemble forecasting. So if you are talking about ensemble forecasting with respect to our country, we are having 12-kilometer resolution ensemble is already there, which is one of the best in the world. And in addition to that, we are having seasonal forecast. We are giving, I was already telling, we are giving rainfall, monsoon forecast, northeast monsoon forecast, temperature forecast. For all this purpose, We are having a model, a statistical dynamical model is there of 38 kilometer resolution. So these models are not run exactly at IMD. We are having our sister organizations, IITM, NCM, National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. They are having high power computer system is there. So they are running these models, and the model products are shared, and accordingly the different products required for the forecast purpose is generated by us. So it is a collective effort. Modeling this prediction, this running of the model is done by our sister organization, and the products are generated for the purpose. So it is done by IMD itself. So advances in modeling, I was talking about modeling. So we are having ensemble, I have already told, we are having two ensemble predictions. Other one is based upon GFS model, that is US based model. Another one is UK based model, that is a unified model. Both are of high resolution. 12 kilometer is a very high resolution. So is there. Then we are having global model itself, that is GFS as it is we are using, and unified model. These are also 12 kilometer resolution is there. In addition to that, we are having regional models, which is of high resolution. 3 kilometer model is there, which is will give more specific information about any particular region. Then another one, HWRF, that is hurricane. Hurricane WRF, it is used mainly for cyclone forecasting, cyclone track as well as intensity. Both the details are received from this. And then nowcasting, I was telling, very short range, very short time scale we have to give. For that also, we are having separate models. In addition to that, we are having models specifically for cyclone prediction. Even cyclone genesis for possibility is there. For that also we are having models, and cyclone track we are having, and the models are available. So these are the different sets of models available with the IMD. Then how this forecast system is working. So as I have already told, we are having different types of observation based upon surface, upper air, as well as space. Space is satellite as well as this is the. So observation is there. These observations will be coming as the initial condition for the models. Accordingly, the models will be generating the forecast, and the forecast from the model cannot be taken as it is, because in order the numerical modeling, it is using numerical methods which contains lot of approximations. So the outputs cannot be taken as it is. So that needs to be some value addition needs to be done. So the output products, which was happening previous days, and all can compare, and accordingly the value addition is done by the forecaster, and accordingly the end
Ma'am, we can't see your share screen.
And we can't see your presentation.
Presentation has stopped.
Presentation.
It is unshared.
We can't see your presentation. Ma'am, the screen is not available.
Yes, we are doing.
And the screen was not available.
Actually, this will be shared, because the recording is there. It will be shared. So please listen, because the introduction is coming. So I don't know why it is happening. It is continuously happening, but it is getting recorded. So it will be shared with you in okay. So this is how the forecasting it is working, and then accordingly we are generating the forecast. Forecast ऐसे कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So in addition to forecast part, we are giving current weather, what has happened at present also. So rather than giving this much rainfall occur, rather than that, we will give some. We are qualitatively we are giving. So there is ranges are there for rainfall. So we will tell very light rainfall, moderate rainfall. This way only we are giving. So which is the range that we are doing, and this for representing, giving the warning, we are using color code. So color code is used. There are 4 colors we are using. One is green, another one yellow, orange, and red. So this is mainly for the purpose of disaster management. So green color, and there are different symbols. Symbols are used. What is the severe weather for which forecast is given? So that is given here. Heavy rain, snow, thunderstorm, storm, and all.
Ma'am, we can't able to see your screen.
Nobody is able to see this.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Share again.
I can't see
Nobody
your
is able to
screen.
see.
Can you please one more one?
Share again.
Share.
No, ma'am.
My God.
No, ma'am.
It is
Ma'am, your
happening.
screen is not visible. No, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes, we are sharing.
Tell me
This.
why it is happening? Why it is getting
then-
interrupted continuously?
Just wait, ma'am. I'm coming. In the meantime, ma'am, you can try to share. I'm coming.
I am sharing again. Now it is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now, so this is how we are giving.
Yes,
ma'am. Now
it's visible.
I don't know why it is frequently getting disconnected.
Yes, ma'am.
sharing
Now
why
it
it
is
is going my room. Now it is visible?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Ma'am, it's visible.
It is visible. Madam, please go ahead. It is visible. Please go ahead.
Okay, okay. So through this I will go. Okay. So this is how we give our forecast in morning with the color code. So different type of severe weather elements, there are symbols are there. Again, it is going. Stop sharing.
You don't have to click on.
Oh, no. That is happening. I don't know. Okay.
And your voice is not coming. मैम आपके स्क्रीन में आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Your voice is.
अभी
My voice
अभी
is
आएगी
coming now.
अभी आएगी अभी आएगी मैडम प्लीज गो अहेड.
Yeah. Continue.
You are able to hear me?
Yes, now
Ma'am, we are
I
able to
hear
hear
you.
you.
Ma'am. Now it's yes, ma'am.
So we use this type of color coding. Color coding is used. So this is actually available in our website as well as we are sharing with the public. Different domains are there through Facebook, Twitter, and all we are sharing. So we use this color code actually supporting the disaster management as well as to for the knowledge of the public. So wherever we are having, there are 4 colors are used.
Oh my God.
There is a lot of disturbance coming.
Continue, ma'am. Continue. We are able to hear you. Continue, ma'am.
So
Your
so in between talking, no, so that is creating already there is a lot of disturbance. So we are having, so you see 4 colors are used. So wherever green color is there is no warning in that area. Wherever yellow color is there, that area is having, it is supposed to have some weather and it will be, you have to be, it is not that disastrous, it will be, but you have to be watchful. Something is there in that area. And orange color means yes, definitely there is something going to happen. So you have to be prepared for that purpose. And if it is red color, then it is already, the weather, severe weather is already on your head. So you have to take action for that. This is mostly it is for the purpose of disaster management purpose, and even public can understand. And for different types of weather, different type of weather elements, we are using different type of symbols. And now we will go for, so that was regarding general weather forecasting. Now I will go for one of the most disastrous weather, which is cyclone. So cyclone is what? Cyclone happens. We are having the responsibility to cover cyclone monitoring and forecasting. We have the responsibility. IMD has the responsibility to cover this all North Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and your Arabian Sea. Total cover, this area is coming under the responsibility of IMD. And cyclone is something which is the most disastrous. It is very strong winds, which is rotating anti-clockwise around the, that is that type of gale wind, we tell that. So very strong wind around the system center, that is one thing. Another one is the very copious amount of rainfall can be there along with the cyclone. But the most disastrous thing associated with a cyclone is a storm surge. So storm surges at the time of landfall. the sea water along the once the system is crossing, the sea water is entering the area, and inundation and a lot of maximum havoc is created by the storm cell. So there are three disaster weather elements associated with the cyclone, that is strong wind, rain, and a storm surge. In this way, most disastrous one is this one. So in order to storm surge from that area, people needs to be removed, they have to be evacuated. So for that purpose, we have to talk, we have to tell about once when it is going to make landfall, what is the speed with which it is which is the location, what is the time at which it is expected to cross. Accordingly, the evacuation process and all needs to be done. So that is why the cyclone forecasting is very important. So we in addition to supporting India, our own country, our coastal states, we are supporting another 13 countries along the rim, Indian Ocean rim, that also we are doing. So forecast, cyclone forecast, even when cyclone is not there, at that time also, every 15 days, extended range forecast, we will monitor the sea area, and every Thursday, we are giving the forecast regarding possibility of cyclone hai ya nahi. वो ही हम लोग हर थर्सडे को बताता है, तो नहीं है तो नील cyclogenesis possibility nil. This also हम लोगों को बोलना पड़ता है. In addition to that, cyclogenesis forecast हर दिन में हम लोग बनाता है 5 दिन के लिए. तो कुछ भी cyclone formation का possibility है तो at least cyclone all of a sudden एक cyclone will not come. It will start from a low pressure area and that only intensifies. So if that type of genesis possibility with respect to a low pressure area is there, then that possibility will be seen by genesis potential that we are doing. So that will be given daily basis we are giving. हर 5 दिन के लिए हम लोग देते रहते हैं. And when the system is forming, then the track and intensity forecast up to 5 days. वो this we are seeing all this. There's a pictorial form as well as text form we are giving. So this is, and that will give what are the different disastrous weather elements and when it is going to commence. All these will be contained in a cyclone warning. In addition to that, you see when the cyclone is going to take landfall, going to make landfall, 72 hours in advance we give pre-cyclone watch. This is for that warning is there. 72 hours in advance we are giving pre-cyclone watch, and 48 hours in advance we give cyclone alert, and 24 hours in advance we will give cyclone warning, red message, and 12 hours before we are giving post-landfall outlook. And once the cyclone crosses and it is weakening, then we have to issue a D-warning also. So this is how the cyclone forecasting with us from services out there from the IMD is doing. So these are the different types of this we are giving. So it is giving this red color. Now this is the track we do, and this is actual forecast, actual realized track to be like this. And in addition to that, cyclone in the surrounding area, there will be strong wind, and as the wind speed will be decreasing. So this structural forecast also. So accordingly, wind structure, what is expected around this cyclone? What is the wind structure expected? So from the center of the cyclone, as you move away, cyclone speed, wind speed is decreasing. However, even very large area also, it will have impact of very strong wind. So that is given by this, which area is under the influence of the cyclone and what is the wind speed expected around that. That is given by this. And this gives you the track along with cone of uncertainty. So you are giving a forecast, track is given, but it may not be exactly going. So how far it can go, that based upon the error, we are giving this. So cone of uncertainty is also given. So that will give you the information about this. So this particular forecast example is given with respect to the cyclone which has crossed Gujarat very recent past, Taukte. This has created a lot of havoc in Gujarat. And this is another one, cyclone Yas, which has crossed West Bengal. This also happened in May only. So this is same, just for your information. So here from this, which area is having, what is the wind speed when it is expected to cross, and what is the intensity expected at that time, everything is given in this forecast. Then another one, this is regarding temperature. So You know, when you have from the temperature में बहुत सारा ज़्यादा temperature हो जाए, normal से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो भी problem है, normal से कम हो जाएगा तो भी problem है. So there are two types of extreme temperature. One is maximum temperature, which is the highest recorded any day, and minimum temperature, which is the lowest recorded. So if the higher this maximum temperature goes beyond a certain limit, that is that gives rise to heat wave. And if the minimum temperature is falling beyond a threshold, then that is giving rise to cold wave. Both are harmful, and due to that we have to give forecast about the heat wave as well as cold wave depending upon the time. So heat wave warning is given during summer period, and cold wave is given during winters. That is usually this heat wave is more prone starting from sometimes it will start from March itself, and it can go even up to June, whereas cold wave will be more prone in this second half of November, December, January, and by February middle and all it may reduce. It depends. It is not that there is no fixed time, but these two temperature extremes can cause
problem हो रहा.
So what are the different types of forecast issued? That is, one is seasonal forecast is there. I have already told before the beginning of the summer season, we give temperature scenario for the summer season. And winter, we will give temperature scenario for the winter period also. But in addition to that, heat district level heat and cold wave warning is also given daily at that time as and when required. And even with the state government, we are having heat action plan is there. This is for the benefit of the public at large. What are the needs and public awareness to be increased, and public को inform करते हैं what is expected, what is the action to be taken.
Presentation is about over. Presentation is about. Ma'am, continue, ma'am. Continue. Ma'am, continue. You can continue.
Okay.
The last 10 minutes, ma'am, we can be put for the question answers. So 5 minutes, ma'am. You have more 5 minutes. Then we can have some question answers from the student.
Sir, screen.
We cannot take voice.
If the students have any questions, they can write in the chat box. There is a chat box on the right side of your screen. You can write your questions in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
But why my presentation is going on in between? Please don't talk at least. Please mute.
Yes, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
Yes. And then we are going for impact. Earlier we used to give what will be the weather. What will be the weather? That is what we were doing. But now we are going further ahead. What the weather will do, because you know very well that nowadays the severe weather is going on increasing, and it is creating more and more problems. The splash flood is there, urban flooding is there. This way, so much impact is there due to that. So rather than telling what the weather will be, we will be.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, kindly switch off your microphones. We will answer your questions after completing the presentation. Okay, the presentation is going on.
So this is the principle of impact-based forecasting. So this we have already implemented from last year, 2020. We started giving it into for heavy rainfall we are giving. So it is having different stages. 4 stages are there. So in that 5 days ahead, we will be started giving the forecast, district level forecast. So in which district is going to be affected by the severe weather, that will be mentioned, and as the day progresses, the number of forecast as well as the number of frequency of forecast will be going on increasing, and we are complementing that along with the actual observation in that area to give the actual what is happening in that place and what is in store. So this way we have already implemented it with respect to heavy rainfall and all. And in that we give
unvisible हो गया है. Hello. फिर unvisible हो गया. Visible. Presentation is not visible.
Ma'am,
Again it has gone.
yes, ma'am, your presentation is not visible.
This is too much.
Visible.
Please check it again. Your presentation has been stopped.
Not switched off.
Morning.
This is too much.
Hello, ma'am.
Now it is visible.
Hello,
No?
ma'am.
It's visible now.
Visible, and then again.
Yeah. Then, yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now it's visible.
Ma'am, please continue.
Visible.
So whether in addition to this, we give
Not
forecast for the
visible.
local for different station wise also we give forecast and nowcast also. Nowcast is for, I have already told, it is meant for the purpose of severe weather which will occur for a very short period, which will develop and give weather which in a short period. So at present we are giving nowcast for almost more than 1,084 stations we are giving district wise also, and say local forecast for different cities we are almost covering 118. There are different modes by which thunderstorm monitoring is done. We are having lightning data also we are getting. This we are getting with the support from IITM. IITM is
Ma'am, your
maintaining
sound is breaking.
and IITM is maintaining lightning network, and even Indian Air Force they are maintaining lightning network. And that data is covered with the IMD, so we are using all that for thunderstorm monitoring. And then flood forecasting, as I have already told, flood forecasting is done by Central Water Commission. So we are not actually giving flood forecasting, but for the rainfall forecast required for flood forecasting, that is given by IMD. So as such, we are 153 river basins we are giving forecast. And other one is South Asia flash flood guidance. Nowadays, flash flood is on the rise. So for that purpose, in association with WMO, there is a flash flood guidance system is established, and it has to, in addition to national level, we are supporting, giving advisory to regarding flash flood to Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka also. And another one is urban flow forecasting, urban flood. Urban flooding, this is already implemented in 2 cities. One is Chennai, another one is Mumbai. So that is also, these are the activities IMD is doing with respect to flood forecast. And then how the early warning system, how we are working, we are doing weather monitoring and weather forecast is given. And that is, we are giving directly to disaster management ministries and all along with the impact. And in addition to that, we give directly to the public through media and all. So like that way, there are different modes by which weather forecast is shared. And since we are sharing with the disaster management, they will also take care. And public is also directly informed through different means, so that public is also aware of that, what is happening in the across the way. And what are the different types of mechanism? Warning dissemination, we are having, there are different modes. So it is already mentioned here. So public website is there, mosam.imd.gov.in, and there are different, IMD has developed so many apps also. So Mosam is there, Meghdoot is very much meant for agricultural purpose. Damini and all, it is meant for thunderstorm and lightning regarding that. For that we are getting, and we are using extensively nowadays, we are using social media also, and WhatsApp groups are created so that we can share the forecast and the warning in time. And Twitter, Facebook, all these we are extensively using all these means through which forecast is available. So this is only a pictorial form of that. Regarding thunderstorm warning dissemination also, all these IMD website is there, media is there, and we are WhatsApp groups are there with the VIPs and all. Disaster management cell also there is.
Mr. Oshak, kindly don't share. Yeah, kindly don't share during the presentation. Madam, आप दोबारा share करें. Somebody
Again it has gone. So I think somebody बीच में कर रहे हैं, that is why it is going.
Yes. दोबारा एक बार share करिए.
I was thinking what is happening, because I am giving always nothing is happening of this kind.
कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा share करिए.
मैम आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है।
अभी आएगा, अभी आएगा।
मैम कट के आ रहा है। आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है।
हार्डली कुछ आदमियों के माइक
मैम आपकी
हैं,
प्रेजेंटिंग नहीं दिख
वो
रही
म्यूट
है।
कर लीजिए, फिर आवाज अच्छा आएगा।
coming.
ओके, कुछ बच्चों के माइक अनम्यूट है, वो म्यूट कर लीजिए, फिर अच्छा आवाज आएगा। काइंडली अनम्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन।
Another thing, simultaneously now we should go to share. That is why it is
ठीक है
getting cut
मैडम।
off.
Continue, ma'am. I'm fine now.
Visible, audible. Madam, please go ahead. Dr.
Okay.
Satyaki, you are
So,
visible and audible.
there is, I am just with respect to forecast, how the skill has improved. Skill has improved. A lot of development has taken place with respect to observational technique. Because unless and until there is observation, what is happening at present, that knowledge is more important. Then only the forecast can be better. So, lot of development has taken with respect to observation, and there is lot of development with respect to modeling. I have already shared with you, and we have taken different measures. We are passing the message through different means, so that it is so this way due to this enhancement in the observation, enhancement in the this modeling, and capacity building. We are always we will be, our refresher courses are being conducted for our forecasters, so that they will be aware of the latest scenario of forecast and all. So like this manner, there is lot of efforts have been taken. Due to that, there is lot of improvement in the skill of warning. So if you we can see with respect to heavy rainfall, probability of detection of rainfall and all, it is going on increasing. And false alarm is going on. False alarm means what? If you are giving a forecast and that has not realized, that is a false alarm. And another one, if there is something has occurred, but we have not forecasted that, so that we have missed that one. So the false alarm as well as the missing should decrease, and the probability of detection has to increase. So that is visible with respect to heavy rainfall warning at present. And regarding cyclone, it is there is lot of already it is well appreciated across the globe itself. Nowadays there is lot of improvement with respect to track error and location, which location it is going to. The location error, that is also reducing, and location when it is landfall error, landfall of not which location it is going to make landfall, that error also has reduced. And when it is going to make landfall timing, in that also error has considerably reduced. And if you talk about heat wave warning also, heat wave is very much it is a silent killer. There's a maximum temperature going beyond a certain limit, that is it is very much hazardous to health, especially for the small children and even for older people, and it is very much hazardous, and it can cause casualties also. So heat wave warning also, now there is lot of improvement, and now we are, so due to that the casualty rate is going on decreasing. So this is what I was talking about. So we have got a lot of accolades across the globe also with respect to our forecasting.
लेकिन सर करवा दीजिए आप, तो सभी सारी प्रिंसिपल को आया भेजना है, ये ना अपडेट है उधर हो जाएगा भाई, आपको दिया है मेरे हस्बैंड ने
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, so some long range forecast.
यहाँ बैठने इसके साइन हो जाएंगे.
Hello.
Yes. So this is our long range forecast related to monsoon. Monsoon, we have started giving forecast earlier normal monsoon, but normal monsoon as a country as a whole we were giving. But now what we are doing is, rather than normal monsoon across the country, it does not mean that everywhere it is going to be normal. So what is a special pattern? Whether some part it can be normal, some part it can be above normal, some part it can be below normal. So that special coverage, special pattern of the forecast, that is also we are included from this year. And then we started giving monthly forecast. Earlier we were not giving a monthly forecast. Now next month, what is the type of scenario we are going to get with respect to monsoon rainfall, that we started giving. So that this is the new thing we are giving. And in addition to that, monsoon core zone, which is the most important agricultural area, that also we are giving special forecast. So air quality also we are having monitoring. We are monitoring. air
Ma'am, your
quality.
voice is not clear.
And then accordingly, there is a we are giving air quality monitoring bulletin is given, so that now we are it is coming in support with support from IITM. And for agricultural purpose, we are having specially Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva. That is the so our farmers we are agreement field units are there. We give our forecast regarding maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall, humidity, and all. This is given to them, and they are adding the practices, crop practices, what can be done, and accordingly the crop weather bulletin is issued from by the. So that is extensively used by the farmers for their farming operations, and the number of people who are using this for their that is going on increasing. And in addition that we are having health bulletin always climatologically also we have started including so many new things we are adding. Agriculture and food security, energy sector we are giving forecast, and power sector we are giving, and disaster risk reduction I have already told. Human health also, especially supporting vector-borne diseases, we are giving some bulletin is given as a experimental basis. We have started in from 2017. So this is the this is available in our IMD. There are certain thresholds are defined. Maximum temperature, minimum temperature threshold are defined with respect to malaria as well as dengue, and that probability forecast with respect to this particular range is given accordingly from the forecast. Which area is more prone to that particular disease? That this type an advisory is given on every Friday for the next 2 weeks. So every week we are giving this health bulletin also. And it is well known that even the public at large as well as the students, teachers, so many people require IMD data for their research purpose and all. So for that purpose, we are maintaining a climate data service portal is there. It is maintained by National Data Center Pune. So data is received, data quality control is done, and afterwards different products are generated and classification is done, and these are made available in the climate data service portal. So you can put a request to that, approach them, and after the formalities, data is getting received very quickly nowadays. Then IMD not only for within this nation, we are doing a lot of services for the international level also. So data exchange I have already told, and this modeling and forecasting we give support to our this neighboring countries who all are asked for that support. Weather forecast also we are issuing for the neighboring countries, especially with respect to cyclone and storm, the thunderstorm also. There is storm project is there for helping the, and modeling also climate forecast. We are issuing climate forecast for the monsoon forecast, northeast monsoon forecast, and all. It is given even for Southeast Asia also, and capacity building support is also given. We give training here. Just now we are already cyclone related training is going on for the neighboring countries, and we give if any other countries giving training, we give our people for as resource person also. So this way capacity building support is also the research and development also we are doing. Climate change, this year climate change bulletin we have given our we have put our in that. So this way there are different, we are having regional climate change. So there are a lot of challenges to be made, challenges to be met. You see nowadays we are having severe weather is on the rise, and within a short period lot of weather is occurring. So that type of challenges are there. So for that purpose your observation needs to be further high resolution observation is required. So that is yes, it is under the process of improvement, and in order to capture that type of severe weather, even the forecasting modeling system that is also in the process of improvement. So all these things are there, and then impact based forecast is not only the forecast issue. What is the response? That is also being it is very important. So that
Your voice is not coming. We are not able to see the presenting.
Ma'am, your screen is visible.
Now you can see only thank you because the session is over.
So
Good morning,
Thank you
sir.
very much, Dr. Sati Devi.
Good
for
morning,
nice
sir.
presentation. Just a moment. Just a moment. Presentation is over.
Morning, sir.
I have two announcement. One like
Sir.
शॉर्ट जो उन्होंने लास्ट स्लाइड में दिखाया है, पब्लिक ऑब्जर्वेशन, आईएमडी ने, भारत विज्ञान विभाग ने अपनी वेबसाइट पे आप देखेंगे कि इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर वेदर इवेंट, ये आपके लिए है पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन। आप कहीं अपने एरिया में है, जैसे आपको बरसात दिखाई दे, तेज हवाएं हैं या हेल स्टॉर्म है, आपको एक्सट्रीम वेदर जैसा वेदर मिलता है, अगर आप ये वैल्यू इसके ऊपर डालेंगे यू विल टिक, ये हमें मिल जाएगी, हम इसको यूज करेंगे। तो जैसे भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग मैडम ने बताया, अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं, पूरे वेदर पैरामीटर्स कंटिन्यूसली ऑब्जर्व करता है। इसके अलावा भी अगर पब्लिक को देखते हैं, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट या हमारी फैकल्टी, जो भी आपको भी ऑब्जर्वेशन देखिए, एक ऑब्जर्वेटरी और दूसरे के बीच में स्पेस होता है, वैल्यू रख सकते हैं, हमारे पास आ जाएगा।
So this Dr. Atri has already told, this is crowdsourcing, that one, no, this particular, you are talking about that, no? So through this, even the public can provide, even you are coming across some severe weather, information about that can be put, this is available in our website. So through that platform, you can share your experience, what is happening in your area, and if any photographs, what is anything. So it can be shared through others. So this is available in our, through that it can be shared. So it will be, and even your feedback and all can be shared. So we get information, more and more information will be beneficial for further betterment of the services. So this is how we want to involve even the public. So all of you can please look into this, and if something
ओके, एक बार सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अपना माइक्रो, अपना क्या नाम है, वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए, अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए।
डॉक्टर साथी, क्वेश्चन।
हाँ जी,
डॉक्टर अत्री, आई एम एनसी गुप्ता फ्रॉम आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी।
yes, please.
There is a question with Dr. Sathi. Is there any mechanism, I think, devised by the IMD to forecast the lightning? Because we have seen for the last many years, the incidents with thunderstorm of lightning are increasing. And there are many casualties, particularly in the central India, including Madhya Pradesh and some eastern and southern part of Uttar Pradesh also. So can some model or some forecast methods can be devised to link with rainfall and this thunderstorm with lightning, so that lives can be saved? Because over the years we have seen that the casualties are increasing because of the lightning.
Sir, regarding lightning, you are asking, no? Regarding lightning forecast. Yes, because especially you might have seen 2018, we had a very thunderstorm. There was a very severe thunderstorm activity across Northwest India. Afterwards, we have done a lot of work in that, and a severe weather forecast, especially with respect to thunderstorm and associated weather phenomena, lightning, and thunderstorm is one associated with very strong wind also. So for all these products, already we have developed certain models, and we are using it in our forecast. We are monitoring, lightning monitoring network is with the help of IITM as well as Indian Air Force. So that method is also used, and in addition to that, using regional model, we have developed, already we have developed certain products from the modeling to support the lightning also. So we are already having something. It is further improvement will be there with more and more data, but it is already done, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sathi.
Thanks.
ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Because I am not talking. Voice is not coming because I am
Professor,
keeping
what
my- Yes. Anything?
Okay, if any student has any question, they can write in the chat box. The chat box, you can write if any question.
Sir, I want to say thank you to the ma'am.
Okay, you can say here. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, for the information.
Thanks a lot. We will share the others, from that you can, because I think there have been lot of disturbance in between.
Okay.
It was going, even the presentation also, so many times there was a break. So due to that, I don't know how far, there is a disruption was there at least. So anyway, we will be sharing our presentation with you. It is containing all the type of services being provided by IMD, and what are the what are the process and what are the different sectors, everything is there. So,
Ma'am,
and as I
thank
told
you.
already,
Yes.
crowdsourcing can be utilized so that even
Okay, thank you
can-
very much. Chat box में we have written email address. I request all school principals and coordinators to send name of the students who have participated in this program so that we can certificates to them. So name and this email sp3@gmail.com. This is my email address. Provide certificate to the students. I request all principals and coordinators in this regard. So now lecture is over. I on the behalf of India Meteorological Department and my behalf, Dr. S.D. Atri, Additional Journal and Scientist G. Convey my sincere thanks to, yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
To all of you. Professor,
Afternoon,
do
sir.
you want to
We
say
have
something?
to write our email address in chat box. Hello, in this account, there are Aradha is also present.
could not get what
It's
was
my
that?
Address is that Professor Rita Singh, do you want to say something?
Dr. Ajay,
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
yes,
Hello.
sir.
Hello.
On behalf of the IIT University, University School of Environment Management, I would like to thank Dr. Sati Devi for being so brave to speak in front of all the students, and it is really not joy and being such a difficult person. But thank you very much. And I really enjoyed
Thank you.
it. Hope to see you soon in the offline mode in my campus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, कोई is there any question? क्योंकि हमारे डीजी साहब भी आ गए हैं. He will also interact with you in 1 minute. किसी का जब तक कोई क्वेश्चन है आप बताइए. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा सर्टिफिकेट्स के लिए स्कूल प्रिंसिपल जो कोऑर्डिनेटर से रिक्वेस्ट है वो नाम भेज दें. ईमेल मैंने दे दिया है sd@gmail.com चैट बॉक्स में नाम भी मैंने बताया है, आप भेज दीजिए. Will send certificates. और आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है वेदर से रिलेटेड, मौसम विभाग के जो जैसे आपको रेडियो से टीवी से आपको मोबाइल से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है और वेबसाइट पे है,
Hello,
अखबार
sir.
में
In
भी
this
है.
account, my sister is also present. Aradha Pal.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. In this account, my sister is also present.
Okay, thank you. That's good. You are present. Your sister is also present. We are thankful.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir.
Yes, just a moment. Our DG, Director General of Meteorology, Dr. Mahapatra has joined. I request DGM
sir.
kindly share his views. We are just presentation from Dr. Sati Devi. DGM sir, please.
Sir.
आपका म्यूट है, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
हेलो, संजय नहीं है? संजय दीजिए, बात कर रही है.
Hi, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay. So
Dr.
Sati, lecture is over.
नहीं हो रहा ना.
Lecture is over. Lecture is over for your comments, please.
Okay, okay. Good morning, students and esteemed teachers. मैं
Good morning,
सबसे
sir.
पहले
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning,
sir. Morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Evening, sir.
afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
morning,
sir.
Good night, sir.
मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ.
Switch off your microphone.
मैं सबसे पहले भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग की तरफ से सभी प्यारे बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को और एस्टीम टीचर्स को बधाई देता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं, शुभकामना देता हूं. मैं स्पेशली सभी स्कूल को, प्रिंसिपल्स और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स और हेडमास्टर्स को आभार प्रकट करता हूं कि आप इतने सारे संख्या में आज के जो लेक्चर था इसमें योगदान दिया और आप सभी, मैं सोचता हूं आज की ये जो लेक्चर रहा,
हैप्पी दिवाली सर. हैप्पी दिवाली.
वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट की सर्विसेज के बारे में कुछ सीखे होंगे और आपके जो कोर्सेज ऑफ स्टडी है, कोर्सेज स्टडीज में कहीं न कहीं आप ये जो नॉलेज है इसको इस्तेमाल कर पाएंगे. और ये जो कार्यक्रम आज हमने शुरू किए हैं, ये आजादी का 75 इयर्स कंप्लीट होते हुए जो अमृत महोत्सव पालन हो रहा है पूरी देश में, ये इसका एक अंश विशेष है. ये आजादी की अमृत महोत्सव के जरिए भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम हाथ में लेते हैं. एक तो ये है कि हर दिन हम कुछ ना कुछ लेक्चर और वेबिनार रखे हैं. पहला वेबिनार आज डॉक्टर सती मैडम, जो कि हमारे नेशनल वेदर फोरकास्टिंग सेंटर का हेड है,
गुड मॉर्निंग
वो अभी डिलीवर किए हैं. मैं आप सभी की तरफ से और भारत मौसम विज्ञान की तरफ से मैं सती मैडम को बधाई देता हूं और
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
और मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूं कि आज आफ्टरनून में 3 बजे भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग के जरिए
गुड मॉर्निंग, सर.
क्लाइमेट सर्विसेज में क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ आजादी के बाद, कैसे हमारा जो मेट्रोलॉजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, सैटेलाइट्स है, रडार्स है, इसमें कैसे परिवर्तन हुआ, नया नया टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे इस्तेमाल हुआ, इसके साथ साथ कैसे हम मैथमेटिक्स को इस्तेमाल करते हुए न्यूमेरिकल मॉडल्स डेवलप किया और इसको यूज करते हुए कैसे हम धीरे धीरे हमारा फोरकास्ट पूर्वानुमान को सटीक से सटीक बनाया. और अभी कोई ऐसे क्षेत्र नहीं है सोशियो इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर पे जहां वेदर और क्लाइमेट का यूज नहीं होता है. इसके बारे में भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग के फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर जनरल डॉक्टर आर केलकर आज 3 बजे एक अभिभाषण देंगे और मैं सोचता हूं कि आप सभी को संबोधन जो करेंगे, जिसको भी आप सुनेंगे, ये जरूर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा. मैं भारत मौसम विज्ञान विभाग की तरफ से आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी न्यू दिल्ली की वाइस चांसलर, सभी प्रोफेसर और स्टूडेंट्स को भी विशेष धन्यवाद देता हूं. ये सभी ये प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं और उनके जगह भी डॉक्टर अत्री साहब एक लेक्चर दे रहे हैं. और मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं कि ये आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव कार्यक्रम के दौरान आज से हम एक क्विज प्रोग्राम शुरू किए हैं. इसका विशेष विवरण हमारा वेबसाइट में अवेलेबल है. आप सभी बच्चे, टीचर्स और कोई भी आम आदमी ये क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। तो ये क्विज एक ऐसे ही गेम प्लेइंग सिस्टम है, जैसे आप बच्चे गेम्स खेलते हैं कंप्यूटर में, ऐसे ही आप ये स्टूडेंट्स देखेंगे कि कोई भी क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, आंसर करने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। हम भी कुछ प्राइज रखे हैं, जो अच्छे रिप्लाई देंगे उनको भी हम कुछ पुरस्कार राशि प्रदान करेंगे। और इसके साथ साथ हर दिन हमारा कुछ ना कुछ प्रोग्राम रहेगा। मैं आप सभी को यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हमारा ये सभी प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करिए। 18 तारीख से शुरू हुए तब ये 24 तारीख तक। मैं और एक बात आपको बोलना चाहता हूं कि हम भी एक पोस्टर कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं 6 से 8 तक बच्चों के लिए, और फिर 9 से 12 तक बच्चों के लिए पोस्टर कंपटीशन होगा। आप लोग पोस्टर्स वगैरह बना के हैं अभी, ठीक है, इसको मैं अरेंजमेंट हम कर रहे हैं। और इसके साथ साथ आपका जो सुझाव है, आप भी ये देखते हुए वेबिनार के जरिए आपका चैट बॉक्स जाकर लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो IMD को सीधा भी आप मेल कर सकते हैं। हम यही चाहते हैं कि बच्चों के साथ ये जो वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट सर्विसेज है, जिसके जरिए हम वेरियस नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स को मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं इसका प्रभाव से, जैसे कि जो जनहानि हो रहा है, जो प्रॉपर्टी लॉस हो रहा है, इसको हम मिनिमाइज कर पाएंगे। जो हमारे बच्चे हैं वो सभी हमारे लिए एक मैसेंजर होंगे और पूरा फैमिली को जाकर बताएंगे कि हमको क्या क्या करना चाहिए जब कोई डिजास्टर आता है, साइक्लोन आ रहे हैं, कि हेवी रेनफॉल आ रहे हैं, कि थंडरस्टॉर्म आ रहे हैं, हमको क्या करना चाहिए, लाइटनिंग हो रहा है, जैसे कि हम सिर्फ नहीं पूरा समाज सुरक्षित रहे। और इसके साथ साथ ये वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट इंफॉर्मेशन को हम डे टू डे लाइफ में कैसे इस्तेमाल करें, जैसे हमारा स्वास्थ्य ठीक रहे, जैसे हमारा यातायात ट्रांसपोर्ट ठीक रहे, जैसे हमारा जो पानी वो भी स्वच्छ रहे और स्वस्थ रहे, तो हमको अच्छे पानी मिले, जैसे हमारा जो पानी का प्रबंधन है वो भी सटीक रूप से हो पाए, हमारा जो एनवायरनमेंट है, परिवेश है, इसको हम कैसे स्वस्थ रखें, इसके बारे में हमको भी जानकारी मिले। एनर्जी सेक्टर में कैसे हम सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, हम हमारा एनर्जी रिसोर्स को बढ़ाया जाए, ये सभी बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी आप सभी को मिलेगा इस हफ्ते के अंदर। मगर सिर्फ इस हफ्ता नहीं, इसके बाद भी कभी भी आप हमारा जो मौसम केंद्र है, दिल्ली हो कि कोई भी कैपिटल सिटी हो, वहाँ आप विजिट कर सकते हैं। हम आपको हमारा जो पूरा प्रोसेस है वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट का मॉनिटरिंग के लिए, फोरकास्टिंग के लिए, अर्ली वार्निंग सर्विसेज के लिए, इसके बारे में आप सबको समझाएंगे। आप जानकर अभी खुश होंगे, हम सिर्फ आजकल मौसम का जानकारी नहीं दे रहे हैं, मौसम कल क्या होगा ये बताते हुए हम ये बताते हैं ये मौसम का प्रभाव क्या होगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी दिल्ली में बारिश हुआ कल, और आज भी बारिश हो सकता है, कि केरल में बहुत सारे हेवी रेनफॉल हुआ, अभी उत्तर प्रदेश और उत्तराखंड में हो रहा है। हम ये बताते हैं कि हेवी रेनफॉल होगा, और हेवी रेनफॉल की वजह से कहाँ लैंडस्लाइड हो सकता है, कहाँ फ्लडिंग हो सकता है, कहाँ ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर में बस और ट्रेन चलाचल में प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ऐसे एग्रीकल्चर में क्या इसका इम्पैक्ट होगा, ऐसे बहुत सारे इम्पैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन हम देते हैं। सो मैं यही सोचता हूँ कि हमारा ये जो प्रयास है इस हफ्ते के अंदर बहुत
जीडीपी
लॉस होगा, आप लोग इसको पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे और कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे, और हम सभी मिलकर देश के हित के लिए वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट इंफॉर्मेशन को इस्तेमाल करेंगे, और देश में जो लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी का लॉस हो रहा है इसको मिनिमाइज करेंगे, और हमारा सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी को प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए हम सभी मदद करेंगे। हम आप सभी को फिर एक बार हार्दिक अभिनंदन देता हूँ, अभिवादन करता हूँ, शुभकामना देता हूँ, और अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद साहब। और एक बार पुनः आप सब पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए, और कभी भी आप मौसम विभाग को विजिट करिए, अपने आप देखिए, जैसे डीजी साहब ने अभी बताया, डिफरेंट सर्विसेज के बारे में बताया, और क्या क्या सर्विसेज देखता है, आप खुद आके भी IMD में देख सकते हैं। तो एक बार पुनः सबका पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, थैंक यू। Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Can we left?
So.
Thank you.
Bye.
Last